watch hours, and you have to have 1,000 subscribers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily get 1,000 subscribers as a beginner. Do you need to worry and you think that it is going to take a Lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. You guys, we tell you we can earn money and we can make money online using YouTube and our smartphone. But with YouTube, most people have like, oh my God, it's very hard to get 1,000 subscribers. So for you to start earning on YouTube, as we talk to you, if you want to know more about it, you can order for our ebook. It is only $2 if it is a PDF, direct to your email and direct to your WhatsApp. So guys, it is easy and it is hard. For you to monetize, you have to have 4,000 watch hours and you have to have 1,000 subscribers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily get 1,000 subscribers as a beginner. Do you need to worry and you think that it is going to take a year for you to get subscribers? No. Do you need to put more strength to be consistent? Yes. Guys, allow me appreciate individuals that are always among the first people to engage these videos in the first 1 hour. I love you so much. I salute you. The few I know yourself. I love you and I know you're my community right now. I'm not a financial guru, you guys. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a lady who decided to use my smartphone to make sure that I have an add-on on my daily income. So these are 10 realistic and proven ways, in a way that most people have used them. I'm using them to get to YouTube 1,000 subscribers. So if I have 3 channels and I'm using these the same ways. So the first one is niche down your content. Focus on specific content or topic on audience, because you cannot go to every person and fulfill them. Otherwise, people will run away from you. E.g., for example, make money online. I have a channel, like if you on this channel in market show, it is making money online. If you go to Whispers of Love, you'll find it is about love of God, love of a person and with another. It's about love. That's why it is called Whispers of Love. If you go to Vibe with Mark, it is about daily activities, cook with me, life in Dubai and other things. So you niche down your topic, your audience, your content. Niche content attracts royal viewers and faster than random uploads, because if you do random uploads, you're about to confuse the public. So the second one is about create searchable content. When we are talking about create searchable content, you are going to ask, how do I create searchable content? You can use SEO strategy. SEO strategy here, use keywords and key searchable words that people are searching for. How do you know people are searching for this? You can use some of the platforms or the gadgets for you to know that people are searching for this, like Google Trends. You can use VIDQ, you can use ChatGPT. All these ones will give you what people are searching for right away. So examples of what people are searching for right now: how to make $10 a day with your phone. This is very important. The moment you put it, people are going to look for it. Beginner tips for YouTube growth 2025. This is one of the things that people are searching for. As I told you, you use search tools like TubeBuddy, ChatGPT, Google Trends, and many others to get these key searchable words. The third way for you to get 1,000 subscribers fast and monetize very well is make short videos and YouTube shorts. You guys, short videos are on market. If you go and see my short video, I post a video of 3 minutes. Most people always watch it and finish it and subscribe. Then it is always recommendable. Even shorts on YouTube, they are always really on market. Shorts get a massive boost in the algorithm. You cannot repute it. You can post 3 to 5 shorts per week using viral videos or viral tips, trends. But if you can for on a daily basis, why not do it? For example, you can go for 3 apps that pay you daily. This one in the shorts, then you put hashtag shorts. Seriously, you get subscribers. Use strong hooks in first 10 seconds. This one is the fourth one. Grab attention immediately, because some people go take only a few minutes and they give up. And there are some people like us who don't know how to grab people's attention, but we try by all means that we should grab you for you to continue watching. So like if you want to make money from home, this is for you. This one, people say, okay, why can't I sit and make money from home? So we will grab their attention and they keep watching. Here is how I got paid just using my phone. This one, it always grab people's attention so fast. Then the fifth is ask viewers to subscribe clearly but creatively. I don't like you people. If someone asks me that subscribe, I don't subscribe. People want value. People want what gives them what is going to be an add-on to their life. So come to think about it. How many videos have you watched? How many times did you watch on that channel for you to subscribe? So if you think of what you do, you cannot go there and someone has told you subscribe and you subscribe. The same thing is what they will do to you. So what you need to do, you don't just say subscribe. Instead, say, if you find this helpful, hit that subscription button. And please don't miss the next tip. People, it is intriguing. People will find it, do it. And also, you can use on screen subscribe button and put it there, then people will subscribe. Post consistently. This is the sixth way. The sixth way for you to get subscribers and hook them easily is to post consistently. Most people post once in a year, once in a month, and you come and complain and say, do you know what? It is hard for me to get subscribers. That's why I prefer to go to other platforms and not YouTube. No, come on, just post 3 to 5 videos, post 8 videos, post 3 videos per day, and tell me, at least out of those 3 videos, someone is going to subscribe. So consistency trains the algorithm and your audience. If possibly, at least you're posting weekly basis, at least make sure that on Monday you do something on motivational content, on Tuesday, Wednesday, you guide people, on Friday, you show them how apps earn. Like, I always mix these things, but you remain in your niche. This one, you'll hook up with subscribers, engage with your viewers. I know it is very hard, especially for 12-hour people who are working 12-hour jobs. But when you get time, you sit down, engage with them. What I do, I come back, I sit down, I make sure I answer, I try to react to the comments. This one is very good. Then share your videos out YouTube. If you share your videos out to YouTube, however, you have to share after some time, not immediately as you're uploading or as you're premiering. You can share them out of YouTube, like YouTube apps, YouTube groups, WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp status, Facebook groups. You can also go to Instagram stories. This one, it makes added traffic that gives you video powerful algorithm. However, you guys, sharing very early is very dangerous. Don't rush to share, especially if it is from you, Christine. You put your video like this, you start sharing, because it's like you're taking the position of the algorithm. Then create playlist for your channel. You know what a playlist is? A playlist, you go to your studio, create them. This ones helps you to arrange your videos in order. Like if you go to mine, I have videos for beginners, I have social media monetization, I have making money online. So whenever I have shorts, then I have online, depending on the market show. Then when you go to another channels, I have for God is good. Then I have love teachings. So it depends on how you organize and what you post. Because when someone watches the first one, is forced to see next. What did she talk about next? So it helps you to make it very quick. Playlist keeps viewers watching more of your content. More watch time equals better ranking, better chances of getting more subscribers. Last but not least, collaborate with other beginners. This is very important. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche who also want to grow. Then do shouts out, collabo videos. You can also do interviews. this introduces to their new subscribers. Their subscribers will be your subscribers. I learned this also from TikTok. If you're on TikTok, if you want people subscribers, let that person collaborate with them. Let them be on your live. You will get there. As long as they're on your live, their subscriber, their followers will be alerted and they will be on you. Let's